Hey there, feeling overwhelmed trying to explore 55 plus living in Plymouth County or the South Shore? Not sure where to start? Well, you've hit the jackpot because I've just expanded my guide to 55 plus communities in Plymouth County to include the South Shore. More choices, more options, and opportunities for you to find that perfect fit in your next chapter. So grab a coffee or a glass of wine, no judgment here. Get comfy and let's dive into this adventure. But before we jump in, let me introduce myself. I'm Pam Corney, your go-to realtor specializing in 55 plus communities and downsizing in Plymouth County and the South Shore. And if this is your first time here on my channel, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button below and tap the bell so you don't miss out on all things 55 plus living. Trust me, you want to stay in the loop, especially when it comes to finding a dream community. Now, let's talk about the South Shore because honestly, it's one of those areas everyone seems to define differently. Some people think it's just the coast. Others throw in towns that are more inland. So to keep it simple, I'm using the South Shore Chamber of Commerce map, which includes both Plymouth County and 7 towns in Norfolk County. So whether you're all about the ocean breeze or prefer a cozy spot away from the shore, this guide has got you covered. All right, now let's talk about this one-of-a-kind guide I've put together for you. It's packed with info on over 155 plus communities. Yes, I said over 100, and I'm talking everything from budget-friendly mobile homes to luxurious homes and everything in between. Whatever your style, you've got options. There's truly something for everyone. Well, as long as you're over 55, but that is why you need my guide for the age restriction questions. And the best part, I've done all the hard work for you, so all you have to do is flip through, mark your favorites, and start planning your next chapter with less maintenance. Sound good? Great! But wait, there's more. This guide isn't just a list of communities. It's your toolkit for making an informed decision. I've included all the must-know details like amenities, HOA costs, pet policies, because we all know our furry friends come first, right? And so much more. So whether you're looking for an active social scene or a quiet retreat by the shore, this guide has it all. You might be thinking, Pam, how do I know if homes are available in these communities? That's the easy part. You simply call me, of course. So if you're dreaming of living your best life in Plymouth County or one of the South Shore communities, this is your go-to guide. So whether you're ready to make the move next week or 6 months from now, I'm here to help. And listen, it's never too early to start your research. I get calls and texts all the time from folks just like you, some ready to pack their bags and others just dipping their toes in the water. Either way, don't be shy. Give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email, and let's chat about your next chapter. You can also book an appointment directly on my calendar in the description below. I'm here to make sure your move is as smooth and stress-free as possible. Sound good? I hope so. And hey, before you go, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to stay in the loop on all things 55 plus living and downsizing in Plymouth County and the South Shore, and if you want a copy of my free guide to all the 55 plus communities in Plymouth County and the South Shore, yes, I said free, reach out and let me know how to get your hands on one. One more thing. Do you have a home you have to sell in order to make a move? I can help you with that as well, keeping it as simple and easy for you as possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you the next time.